Hello, so it's currently raining right now, so I decided to make a paper boat, and it's a little bit tough since it's been a long time I make a paper boat. So I picked some leaves to put into my paper boat. And yeah, that's me. Let's go. Hello, kitty. Dude, that face was funny. Let's go. La, la, la. Okay, so this is a water barrel, and I'm gonna put my paper boat here. I don't think so if it sink or float. Okay, well, let's try. Ah, come on, it's floating. Oh, it's floating, girl. See, it's very cutesy, and it's very beautiful.